Hey, what's going on, y'all? So today I'm about to be talking about how you can make profit with Coinbase. So basically, this is for beginners. This is not intermediate or expert level type of knowledge, or it's not even that type of video. It's actually really simple, not complex. So let's get started. Basically, some people like to invest over time. Basically, this option right here, buy crypto every day, week, or month. So instead of doing that, I would say save up a large chunk of your money. For example, like we could even do it with this. See, my the money that I put in is down right now, but I actually put 1,500 in here. So that amount of money, I would say put it in a coin. But before you put it in the coin, watch that coin for at least 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, and watch how it fluctuates up and down. And then by watching that, you'll be able to figure out when you will want to get in on the coin. And at that point, you just ride it. So you will set yourself on a 5 to 10% profit range, because you don't want to be greedy. So basically what I'm saying is, like, you would take profit at 5% or 10% gains. So that's how you consistently make money with it. And like, for example, with 1 inch, right? So 1,500. Now say this went up to 1,600 or 1,650. Now this is preferably me, but if this goes up to now this is at we theoretically speaking, if this is at 1,500, right, and it's going to 1,600, or if it goes up to 1,650, we take that profit, wait till the coin goes down, watch it, do another entry point, get in, wait for the coin to go back up, take profit. And that's basically how you just make money on Coinbase.